We're gonna go to the skate park since last time we never made it because we popped all our tires. But everybody has new tires. What's missing on Isaac's bike? Oh, the pegs on the back. Yeah, they don't.
Oh yeah, here.
Thank you.
Oh, you want water?
We'll modify your pegs when we get back though. All it is the inside of them is too deep to catch onto the threads in the back. So I'll chop them a little shorter and they'll catch the thread. We have arrived at the skate park. Hold up. Hold this. That's good.
You left your water in there? Yeah, bro. Look when it falls out. I didn't put my nose in it.
Parking lot. They're gonna go race. You wanna race them?
Good.
Brother, he's out there trying to drop in from that one. Nah. You got it. Homie, what happened? You good? His peg got stuck. Nice. Redeem yourself, boy. Nice. Good job. Yeah, they don't have the easiest of drop-ins for them, especially with pegs. They keep getting stuck on the corners. And then they got the little ledge all around, so they're not comfortable with jumping over that. I know, every time I turn around, homeboy wiped out. I don't know where to look anymore. Everybody's just... to train them for Ninja Warrior. Hey, do it again. I didn't get you. Come on, you guys can't make it through Ninja Warrior if you can't get that. I see you. Yep. It is tiring to go back up. I'm with you. This is why I don't go down there. That's a big gap in between. Are you guys sure you get? Nice. Nice, dude. Good job. Yep. Sick. Good job, Isaac. These guys are just bombing right past the whole thing. Sick. Sweet. So now they all take their little ramps. We're gonna have to build some bigger ones soon. Nice. ¿Cómo van los morros, don Juve? Ya bien animados a la bicicleta, ¿verdad? Oh, we got a new recruit, vale. It's a whole party now, yeah? In pajamas and all. Leo just busted out with the razor. Where at? Where to? Yeah, we'll take a ride over there. When isn't he?
I know we're making the ramp more slippery. Yeah. How do we never think about flipping it around? Push down with the foot.
Do you have a pencil?
Isaac, what? Over like the long screw. The ones that we usually put.
You're gonna tell them when to go, okay? Yeah, tell them when to go. You give them the go. No, you don't want to tell them, Vale? All right, go. Oh, this is the ramp we were fixing. I didn't even finish filming that, but that's good. Nice. Yeah, keep coming one after another. Machete doing it too. Look at him. Yeah, baby. Oh, you caught some air, Machete. Oh, you good? You gonna take the ramp now, Leo? Come on, Leo. Oh, are you gonna do the jump now or what? You ready?
Can you see my nose?
Huh?
No.
What happened? Are you Stuntman now?